how to change cPanel password on Hostgator. So if you want to change your cPanel password on your Hostgator, then just follow the steps. To reset your password or to change your password, there are a few methods. So the first thing you need to do is reset your password. So to reset your password, you can first open the cPanel's URL in your browser. And once you open, then within your cPanel's login page, you need to click on the reset password link. Here you will have reset password option, right? So you just need to simply click on reset password. And on the next page, you need to enter your cPanel username. You will get this kind of interface once you click on reset password, and under that you need to enter your username. Once you enter your username, you need to click on reset password button and then enter your sign up email address, then click on send security code button. So you just need to simply enter the email address and then click on send security code, and then you need to check your email account and take note of the security code. And on the login page, you need to enter the security code, then click on submit button. Once you click on submit, you'll get this kind of interface where you need to provide your new password. And once you enter your new password, you just need to click on set password and you will successfully verify your identity and you'll be able to set a new password. Once you confirm your new password, click on the set password button and a successful notification will be displayed on the next page. Click login to cPanel and then enter your cPanel username and new password and access to your cPanel. So in this way, you'll be able to change your cPanel password, or if you're already logged into your account, then you just need to simply go with your profile, which will be on the upper right. Once you go with the profile, you need to go with the password and security option. And under password and security, you need to choose change password option. And then you need to enter your old password and new password. And then again, type in your new password. And you need to click on change your password now. And you'll be able to change your password. And that's it. That's how you can change your cPanel password on your Hostgator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.